Hi everyone, let's quickly discuss about the basic concept of accounting. So, what is accounting exactly? As we know that the accounting is an art and science of recording, analyzing, summarizing the data of financial data. Again, so with the help of this word, we just understood that this is the definition of accounting. But while we deeply and exactly want to understand, what is accounting is we just have to understand a simple transaction like. Suppose we did a transaction study like with a person whose name is Sam. So we bought something from them. So like a bag. So bag account debit to cash, or if we bought in credit, so their account, whatever his name is. So here his name is Sam. So back to Sam account. Uh, from this simple journal entry, we could understand that this is the whole concept of accounting principle, because journal is the basics and one of the most important part of accounting, which is going to start the accounting entry, and whole accounting process are going to start with the journal entry. That's why it's called the books of original entry, or it is the beginning process of the accounting. So we should understand the journal entry first, then we could understand, this is known as the accounting. So I hope you could understand the basic, you have understood the basic concept of accounting. And more detail, let's discuss in more detail what is accounting exactly. So this is just an example. So uh, accounting means what? uh, so last example we have the with the transactions. So accounting are also classified to get more detail and to analyze more. So accounting, we know that the accounting are divided into three different category: personal, real, and nominal. So now while going to understand individually each account, we know that the personal account is related to names of any person or entity, any organizations, as extra. And while we're gonna discuss about the real account, we'll have to. We know that the real account deals with the nothing but machinery, plant, equipment, whatever the something at the physical existence or value. And nominal, while we going to discuss about the nominal account, we know that the all the losses and expenses comes under, or incomes and gains are comes under the nominal accounts. And so we could summarize or make a debit entry or credit entry in a proper account. We have to use the golden rule, which is the main pillar or key of the accounting principle, because we won't uh, uh, debit account without using golden rule, because there are different method to use accounting entries. So but golden rule in modern days are most common one, and most of the companies are utilizing this method only. So we should understand the golden rule. So in we know that in personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. And in real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And in nominal account, debit losses and expenses and credit income and gains. And in case of nominal. So I think I have covered the just basic concept of the accounting part, and we'll discuss more other important part of the accounting in later videos. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.